up, everybody, and welcome to my world. And so we are going to Stone Mountain. And so what happened was he put Stone Mountain. Obviously, there are multiple Stone Mountains here in Georgia. Oh yeah, I'm rolling window up. All right, so there's multiple Stone Mountains. So he put the Stone Mountain. Well, he clicked on the Stone Mountain that was in Covington. You want to tell him what happened?
I don't want to get the that one thing.
Okay, so we're on our way to the correct Stone Mountain, and I will catch you guys up later and tell you all about that. So y'all, we finally made it after a whole another hour. How you feeling, Lord?
We trying to be funny.
I'm just
It's
saying.
only 30 minutes.
But we made it.
Yes, boy,
How long we gonna be walking? We waking up to the top.
yes, sir.
All right, y'all. We're going to the top. I'm already tired. What about you? Exactly.
I feel fine.
All right, y'all. I can't see. I'll come back. Y'all, we so crazy right now. You mad? He couldn't find a spot to go pee.
Yes.
There you go, right there.
There's a truck behind us, right?
Freak. So, yeah. Oh. Man, melanin popping.
Man, they're sweating.
So, just had a thought. Thinking to myself, you know, what makes friends important? Why having them is important? Why is friendship important to you?
First, it's because it keeps you going, it keeps you motivated, it gives you, I know, some sense of, I wouldn't say pride, but some sense of encouragement to keep you going and pushing when all else fails.
Because let me tell you, if your circle ain't encouraging you, you need to find a new circle.
Maybe that's not a circle.
What is it?
Triangle, square, it ain't circle.
It ain't no circle. It ain't no circle if they're not encouraging you. If they're not correcting you, you know, praying for you. Whew. Because, you know, that's what we do. That's what most all my friends do. Oh, come on, busted my behind.
They want to go to the steep part.
All of it's steep.
Not that side.
If you go, okay.
You going straight?
One thing about climbing this thing, it is teaching me it is okay to take a break. But it ain't okay to give up. So right now I want to turn right back around. Your legs look broke. Your legs look broke. Broke. What God taught you so far?
Child, God didn't tell me. He was smart. He said, Lord, I said yes. He said, son. I said, Father. He said, Lord, no matter how many times you stop, as long as you make it to the finish line.
Make it to the finish
Let me
line.
say, well done.
Oh yeah, my. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yo, no cap. I think we're almost there though.
I told you, hopefully.
Ooh, but 99 and a half just won't do.
Oh.
We got to make it to 100. Oh, no.
Ooh, Lord. I ain't ready to catch you. So hold on. God can take the window. You don't know.
Okay. I'm taking a break. Lord ain't feeling it right now. He ain't feeling it. Man, we are. How you feeling, Lord?
Peace be still.
Peace.
And that's my being still. I found peace.
You found peace being still?
So did.
Let's keep going. Come on. We can let these old people show us how. No, I'm saying old people can't do this, but we young, so. What Mary say? I'm walking. Come on. 99 and a half. Won't do.
But it might just qualify today. I'm playing. Stop.
Gotta make 100.
Oh.
I should not be breathing this time. Okay. Yeah, when I catch my breath, I'll be speaking. But we made it to the top. We made it to the top. How you feeling, Lord?
If ain't been so Lord, I was on my side.
We made it to the top. I don't know. I feel like it was rough getting up here, but once you got up here, it's so peaceful. It's so quiet. Ain't it peaceful?
Yeah, once I can actually hear from my heartbeat, you know? Yeah.
So, we're walking down now. And once we make it to the bottom, we're gonna let y'all know how we feel after that. Cool? Cool. Y'all, we made it. I left Lord behind. I didn't know my own speed. But we made it. Look at his headphones in right now. Shoot. It wasn't no easier going down. Almost broke my ankle a couple times. No cap. How you feel that we made it?
Huh?
How you feel?
So good.
You feel accomplished? But thank y'all for watching this little video. Taking time out. And I'll see y'all soon. Or remember to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your mama, your daddy, your aunties, your uncles, your cousins, even your grandparents. Share this video. Peace out.